Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be installing dash cam. Wonderful gift from my sister for Christmas, and it's like March now. I wasn't able to really get the time to install it, but I'm definitely gonna do it now. Give you a little review on it and tell her thank you. Hopefully this works wonderful. Later. Alright, this is the, I guess, Caidrox Dash Cam H18. Wonderful sister got this for me for my Christmas. Now I got the opportunity, little free up time, I can go install this and see what it's all about. Open this up, see what comes in this wonderful packaging here. Of course, a manual. Oh, just slide that out of that. Take a look at this. Small, neat. So, it's not bad looking. Post it up somewhere like there. Cool. Now, what comes inside the box here? Obviously, this is for your power source. This would be, I guess, your anchors, or I'm gonna hook it up. And then the suction cup piece to stick onto the window. Alright, let me put this camera down and get started. So, I have all the pieces here laid out in my lap. This is the piece that I'm going to be using, the suction cup, I guess, to attach to the window. This screws into the bottom of the dash cam, or top of the dash cam, I should say. Yeah, right here. Then I'm looking at this piece right here. I'm not using this, but this is like how you have your action cameras and you hook it up to like a bike. So you clamp it onto the handlebar through this part right here. Then, hook up the camera here. This is not a cool, it's kind of cool. Or maybe if you have a car that has some kind of bar, say if you have like a roll cage and you want to use a little dash cam to alright, so this piece here, not bad. So this is like if you have like how you have like a bike, or you actually have like a roll cage in your car, and you could basically, or even say, I don't know if it'll work on one of these, but clamp it onto here and have it hang that way, something like that. But it's pretty cool. I don't need this accessory, so I'm gonna just disregard this, put it to the side. So I'll definitely be using this, which is just simple enough, where just gotta screw this into here. Let me put this camera down because I can't do this with one hand. Alright, we got this all attached. So you gotta pull off this little film, I guess, to have it stick up onto your windshield. But as of right now, we're gonna just put the cigarette lighter attachment in there to power it up, and yeah, just run through some of the features, see how good the video quality is, and then we can even just go for a drive and see how well it works, and then put some of the footage into the video so you guys can take a look as well. But yeah, this is my first dash cam. Let's see how this go. Alright, look again, SD cards in. Can't really see it, but it looks pretty good. Let's run through the settings real quick. Has movie clips, sound clips, okay. Record sound, on and off. Record sound, might want to hear what I have to say, especially if I'm doing like a blog or something. Okay, volume, flickers, got protection levels. Okay. Okay, format SD card. That's all regular general settings. Okay, I ain't read the manual, so I'm just gonna assume you press right here and record. But let me go back to settings and pick the movie clip time. We ain't doing a movie clip. I'll go back. All right, let's go to click. We're gonna take a picture with it. See how good that picture is. Kind of dark. Start video and see what we get out of this. So I'm gonna add the video clips in to the video instead of like showing, because right now you can't even see what I'm seeing. It's so dark. Oh, there we go. Quality seems good off of the screen, but I guess when we add it in and go onto the computer, see how it looks. Stop that. Go. So you can click zoom. This is the picture. Now I'm playing it back. It doesn't even look that not that bad, kind of grainy looking, but we'll see. Alright, then I guess this is the picture I would take, and this was the photo. I'll look at the computer, see the quality. Alright, so I'm gonna hook it up. Oops, go back. We're not doing that. No, go back. For right now, I'm just gonna put it and stick it just right there, just to test out the quality. Drive around for a little bit, see how that works out. Put the camera right there, so. Something like this, I guess. Put on the camera while I do this. Alright, so this is where I have it hooked up, right by my Easy Pass, next to the mirror. Obviously out of the way so it doesn't blind me. Not blind me, but block my view. So yeah, so this is the my windshield view. Oh yeah, you know my handicap sign always there, but we're gonna go for a look at drive and see how this works out right now. Test it out, and I add the footage into the video so you guys can see what the video look like. You don't know, so I can't do everything. Put on the seatbelt. Today's video. So today's video, face looking good. Alright, yeah. Make sure not nothing put the side of the motor, nothing looking clean at the camera. Yeah, alright, so fix up the thing, make sure it look good, glasses straighten up, everything alright. Alright, continue. So like I was saying, the short video today, basically quick install of my dash cam, thanks to my lovely sister. Christmas gift, you understand, even though it took so long for me to get it installed. Even though it's a very simple install, stick it onto your windshield, plug it into your cigarette lighter. If you want to hardwire it, you can go do all of that. I'm personally not going to do that right now. Or you can, stretch this. Look at my setup right here. All this, I will clean up all of this. You can run the wire around, come through, come under. But as of right now, it's just right there, just to see how the thing works. You understand what I'm saying? But I am grateful to the opportunity to have a dash cam now. You know, it's not a bad idea. So there's lots of different ones out there. Check them out. Once you hear my review of this one, you might want to get one of these as well. But it's above 1080, I guess. I'm not used to the thing, but yeah, I'm a dash cam owner now. So obviously my future videos, I'm going to include some dash cam footage. So I have regular camera footage, I have action camera, I got drone camera, now I got dash camera. My thing is reaching the levels with beer camera. So yo, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend, you understand, help this thing grow. Yo, have a good day.